Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa and today I'll be showing you guys how I got this Halloween Saw makeup look. This look is inspired by a YouTuber named It's Zay Bebe, and I saw her create this look about a couple of days ago and I really like the way she did it. I wanted to recreate this look myself, so here is my recreation of her look, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to see how I got this exact look. So what I did was include a picture from the actual movie of that Jigsaw character that I'm trying to recreate. So as you can see, I did start off with my brows already concealed. I wanted to make it look like I shaved my eyebrows off, but I really just concealed my eyebrows so they're not noticeable. You can't see the hairs or anything like that, so I could be able to draw my own eyebrow for this look. So I'm going in with my black eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be drawing the shape that I want for my eyebrow. And I did want my eyebrows to be really thick, so that's why I made it this way and created that arch so high. It looks crazy now, but the look is going to all come together at the end. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to apply my concealer onto my eyelids and I'm going to blend that out. And I am patting lightly. Just blend it out all the way. Even on top of my natural eyebrows, I am blending that to blend over as well. After I did apply this, I did go over with my powder after I applied the concealer and blended it in. And I am going to be using that makeup palette and I am going to be going in with that black eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be patting this all over my eyelid, and I'm going to be bringing this shadow all the way up to that eyebrow that I created. So I'm going to bring it all the way up to that line, and I'm going to fill this space in completely. I am going to be repeating the same thing, just applying that black eyeshadow all over the lid and bringing that eyeshadow all the way up into that brow that I created, the brow that I drew. Bring it all the way up. And again, I am covering my natural eyebrow, which is underneath the black shadow, and I'm just bringing it up to the eyebrow that I want to create. The next thing I did after I applied my eyeshadow is I went and took my black eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be lining the bottom of my eyes, my waterline. And I'm trying to create that same smoky effect under the eyes. So after that was done, I did go ahead and get my concealer. And I'm going to be concealing over that space where I drew my space where I wanted to create my brow. I am putting the concealer in that area and just making the shape that I want. And also while I'm putting the concealer, as you can see, I'm also cleaning up that line and I actually went over the line because I wanted that eyebrow to be a little further down, so I did apply that on top of it, and it didn't mess up the makeup look in any type of way. So after I put the concealer on my brows, I am going in with my powder, and I'm applying my powder onto my brows because I want the brows that I'm trying to create to stay in place. And even though you can't see any brow yet, as we go along, you're going to see me create that shape, and you can be able to see those eyebrows really stand out and pop. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking that same eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with a dark brown. And I chose the dark brown because I wanted to use something that was a little darker than my original skin tone, so that I could be able to draw a outline for this brow I'm trying to create. So I'm just outlining the shape that I created with the concealer. So that it can appear that there's an eyebrow there when it's just me making a shadow around this concealer. I really like how cool that came out too. It looks it looks really trippy, but interesting. I'm just keep dragging that powder, keep dragging it and applying more eyeshadow to my brush. That's why I keep looking down, because I have that palette in front of me and I am applying more eyeshadow onto that brush and going back over my brows to create that shape. So if you keep seeing me looking down or not looking directly at the camera, it's because I have a mirror in front of me and I'm trying to look inside of the mirror so I can see what it is that I'm doing. And my products are in front of me, so I'm looking down so I can be able to grab my different products that I'm using in this video. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to make a slight smirk so that my cheekbones are high. Just make a fake smile. And I'm going to be making my my cheekbones look really, really full and big, as in the movie, as this character has. So I'm trying to create the illusion that I have big, full cheeks. That's why I'm going around my natural cheekbones. After I finish applying that, I am going in with my powder and I'm going to outline the line that I just created. And before I added my powder, I did go in with another brush and I did blend in that line a little bit, but not completely, so that it's not a harsh line, but it's more of a gradient effect. And I'm just outlining the line here so that it can stand out more. Again, I'm doing the same thing to this side. I'm applying my powder under that line so that it can make this brown really, really pop and appear that my cheeks are really, really big and plumped. So basically I'm just setting that area with the powder. And the same thing that I did for the bottom of that line, I'm going to be doing the same thing for the top. I'm going to be outlining that cheekbone shape that I made. And as you can see, it really makes that line really stand out and really looks like I have high cheekbones, and that's the look that we're going for. And I did add that powder underneath my eye as well because I wanted that area to be really, really bright. And I'm going to repeat the same on this side as well. I really enjoyed creating this look. It was something really different for me, but I didn't find it too hard to create. So now I'm going to be taking my red brow pencil and I'm going to be using that to create that swirl circle on my cheek. And I thought that I would use this brow pencil first because I thought that it would be a little bit easier to create before doing it with the liquid liner, because I thought that the liquid liner would be a little bit too messy to start off with. So what I did was start off drawing my shape first. And when you're writing on your face or drawing on your skin with the eyebrow pencil, it is kind of tough because it doesn't glide as smoothly as a liquid liner. But I tried to take my time and draw that shape to the best of my abilities. And as you can see, they're not similar, but they're good enough. I just try to make it the same width, not the same amount of swirls. So now I'm going in with my red liquid liner and I'm going to be outlining that same shape that I just created, and I'm just going to draw over that same line to make this red swirl really, really stand out more, because that red eyebrow pencil is really, really dull, and the liquid liner makes it stand out more because it's darker. This was very tedious, but I really, really enjoyed this look. I know I say that in every video that I make. I really enjoy making this look. It sounds really generic and non-believable, but this is something that I enjoy doing. So I'm taking my time and I'm enjoying myself and I'm learning at the same time. So yeah. And while you're watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this and others, hair and makeup as well. I do have a couple of videos that you guys can check out if you're interested. See how this liquid liner just makes that swirl just pop a lot more and stand out more and more noticeable than the red. The other red pencil looks really, really dull on the cheek. You can see it, but it's not so bright as this liquid liner. Especially when you're taking your pictures, you really want to use products that really stand out, so they're really, really noticeable. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take that same red eyebrow pencil and I'm going to be lining my lips. And let's just all take a minute to just take a look at this look. So far it's coming out really, really good, really, really pretty. I'm lining with the pencil first because when I apply my liquid lip gloss lipstick, I do not want the color to bleed outside of this line and smudge, so that's why I'm using a pencil first. And now I'm going to be applying that liquid lipstick. And I'm trying to stay within that line, if not exactly on top of it, because again, I don't want that color to bleed onto my makeup and look really, really smudgy. Like, you know, if you give somebody a kiss on the cheek or something and it smudges around your mouth, I didn't want that effect, so that's why I tried to stay within this line. Let me know if you like this look. Again, thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys tuning into more of my videos. And now we're going to be using that black eyebrow pencil. We're going to be drawing the jaw for this look. It kind of reminds me of like a ventriloquist or just a doll, a wooden doll. I'm using that pencil and this eyeshadow to just smudge that line in to make it a little bit darker and widen it up as well. This is the finished look here, but this is the complete look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope to see you watching another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.